Welcome back to Cash Current. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on finance and investing. Today we're diving into the world of options trading, a powerful tool that can help you leverage your investments and manage risk. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this video is packed with valuable insights. So let's get started. Strategies and risk management. There are various strategies you can use in options trading, from the simple to the complex. Here are a few. Covered calls. A strategy where you own the underlying stock and sell call options on it. This can generate income but also limits your upside. Protective puts. Buying put options to protect against a decline in the price of the stock you own. Straddles and strangles. These involve buying both a call and a put option on the same stock, allowing you to profit from significant price movements in either direction. Risk management is key in options trading. Always know the maximum loss you can incur, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Getting started with options trading. So, how do you get started with options trading? Here are some steps. Educate yourself. Understanding the basics and advanced concepts is crucial. There are plenty of books, online courses, and tutorials available. Choose a brokerage. Not all brokerages offer options trading, so make sure you choose one that does and check the fees. Practice with paper trading. Many platforms offer virtual trading accounts where you can practice without risking real money. Start small. Begin with simple strategies and gradually move on to more complex ones as you gain experience. Conclusion. Options trading can be a powerful addition to your investment toolkit, offering opportunities for profit in various market conditions. But remember, it also comes with risks, so it's crucial to educate yourself and start slowly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more content on investing and trading.